Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I can't wait for them to get here so we can start talking Facebook, TikTok, and other fun social media stuff. Last video, I combined 2 days worth of work for shower pan, some drywall sanding. I think today is Hardie backer and maybe some tile. We'll see how much footage I get. If it's not enough, I will combine this with tomorrow's video. Just finished my morning patience and picked up some tacos. That's what Gerson wanted today. He is working on the black paper. I'm gonna eat myself and film some more. I just finished my afternoon patience. The black paper looks to be done and he's working on the Hardie backers. General Contractor just got here. Let's go listen to what they're saying.
No, later if they need to replace. The circle. Alright? The circle is not big or
Everyone just left. I think I am gonna make this its own video for Hardie backer, and tomorrow they will be starting the tiling. I'm guessing that should take 2 days, so I will combine the footage for next couple days. Really enjoying the time with everybody. They feel like close friends and family when we talk social media. Can't wait for them to get here. Video 303 done.